I'm going to be reading the Ecology Chapter 2 test out loud. The first question that should come up in your test on Pearson Realize is, if a kestrel eats a mouse that eats grass, the kestrel is A, producer, B, second level consumer, C, first level consumer, or D, decomposer. If I move too fast, please feel free to pause in between questions while you look up the answer in your science book and make a choice. Question number 2 is, an organism that can make its own food is called A, consumer, B, decomposer, C, producer, and D, scavenger. Now I'll be highlighting as I read so you know exactly where I'm at. Question number 3. The best way to represent a large, complex system, such as the water cycle, would be A, bar graph, B, life-size drawing, C, graph, D, computer model. Question 4. In which process do producers use carbon from carbon dioxide to produce the other carbon-containing molecules? A, the nitrogen cycle, B, photosynthesis, C, precipitation, or D, the water cycle. Question 5. If you were to make a physical model of the carbon cycle, what shape would the model take on? A, linear, B, triangular, C, circular, D, linear with stops and starts. Question 6. A group of land ecosystems with similar climates and organisms is called A, or an A, energy pyramid, B, climate, C, biome, D, food web. Question 7. Again, if I am moving too fast, please pause this or re-listen to the question. Question 7. Ponds and rivers are two types of A, marine ecosystems, B, rainforest biomes, C, freshwater ecosystems, or D, estuary ecosystems. Question 8. Dandelions, horses, and other organisms that were brought by humans from one part of the world to another are examples of A, native species, B, exotic species, C, parasites, or D, endangered species. Question 9. The many overlapping food chains in an ecosystem make up A, or an A, food web, B, niche, C, energy pyramid, or D, feeding level? Question number 10. Which biome is extremely cold and dry? A, desert, B, tundra, C, grassland, D, mountains. Question 11. Enter the correct word or words to complete the statement. Bacteria and fungi are known as blank because they break down the remains of organisms. Question 12. Enter the correct word or words to complete the statement. The solid that is frozen, or the soil, let's try that again. The soil that is frozen all year, called permafrost, is found in a blank biome. Question 13. Enter the correct word or words to complete the statement. Water vapor turns into droplets of liquid water in the process of blank. Question 14. Enter the correct word or words to complete the statement. Small, light organisms, such as baby spiders, can be dispersed by blank. Question 15. Enter the correct word or words to complete the statement. Certain bacteria change nitrogen gas into a usable form in a process called blank. Question 16. If a statement is true, select true. If it is false, select false. The deciduous forest biome is typically populated by many grasses along with a few shrubs and trees. True or false? Question 17. If the statement is true, select true. If it is false, select false. Organisms that capture the energy of sunlight to make food are called producers. True or false? Question 18. If the statement is true, select true. If it is false, select false. Second-level consumers may be either carnivores or omnivores. True or false? Question 19. If the statement is true, select true. If it is false, select false. Producers release the gas oxygen as a product of photosynthesis. True or false? And lastly, number 20. If the statement is true, select true. If the statement is false, select false. Oak, maple, and beech trees, which lose their leaves each year, are typically found in a boreal forest. True or false? That should bring you to the end of your test. Please review your answers. Make sure you have looked them up in a book Do not guess, please, and make sure you're using correct spelling in the blanks where you have had to enter it. When you are finished, please submit your test.